Hello, good morning. I'm Frank from Liesche Life Balance. Here today on Gomera in the Valle Gran Rey at the beach Playa de Ingles. It's wonderful here, very early in the morning while the shadows are still long. Today I want to show you a cool exercise with elements from Dao Yoga, Tai Chi and Qigong. You can use it as an amplifier to start the day. I hope you have a lot of fun. For the following flow you need about 2 square meters. If you, like me, are making the flow outside, then align yourself to the sun. If you are inside, focus on the window or the brightest light source. Stand upright and comfortable and bring your arms into a circle in a calm and comfortable position. Shoulders lowered, fingertips pointing together. The breath follows deep and relaxed. In through the nose and out through the mouth again. The tongue is on the palate. The eyes are only open a small gap. Feel the morning energy following from your fingertips and arms through your body to the Datien. Feel and observe without wanting. Just focus on this moment. Lower your arms and start the standing breathing meditation. 4 seconds through the nose and 4 seconds through the mouth. Exhale again. The arms are an expression of where your breath and your energy are. Feel and observe without judgment. Stop the breathing meditation and bring your heels together. Inhale, rising your arms crossed in a large circle, and with the exhalation lower again to the outside. Again, the arms are an expression of where your breath and your energy are. Happy day, powerful and vitalizing. After finishing Happy Day, start with the square yard form, which harmonized body, mind and soul as an energy boost and ensures an energized start to the day. Gather celestial energy. Finish the square yard form and bring the energy back to the Datien in 3 big arm movements. Collect the Qi. Feel the amazing and beautiful energy and give yourself a bow for this beautiful start to the day. All individual exercises are explained in detail on our YouTube channel. The link are below in the description. I would be delighted if this wonderful sequence of movements gives you just as much power and energy as it does me.